Oh yeah, what's up guys? This is the boy Dennis here. Welcome to my channel again. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share with your friend. Today I'm coming with a brand new software. It's called Lead Intelligence. So what's the Lead Intelligence? Lead Intelligence is a software which is it's a new and unique cloud-based software that will enable you to rapidly build high quality and profitable subscribed list. So this is a software which is going to allow you to build leads, guys. You know, in a business right now, if you're in an online business, if you're doing a business online, you need some leads. You need to capture those leads so that you'll be able to build a custom. You'll be able to build a relationship with your customers, you know. So this software is going to help you to build the leads automatically. It's a done for you software, which it makes things easy and simple for you guys if you are really interested in making money online, you know. So if you are interested on that, if it's the one, is this the one that you are looking for, I'm going to leave the link in the description below to be the first link. So please make sure you click that link in the description below. Once you click that link, it's going to take you straight to this page. And once you are here, just click to the end of this green button here. It's going to take you straight to the sales page. This is how it looks like. Make sure you read everything here, understand everything on how it works, you know, so that you won't get lost. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First, there's the demo video, so you can go and watch here, you know, and if you want to buy, just click on this. And also have some bonuses that they have prepared for you if you decided to buy through my link. Let me talk about the bonuses before I go to the sales page and to the dashboard. This is a bonus number one. Bonus number one is how to get traffic to any offer that you're trying to promote automatically. You get that traffic and you capture their read, then you start following up with your email. So this one is going to help you is going to help you to get those traffic step by step and start capturing those leads. And the bonus number two is this going to help you on how to start making money quickly as soon as possible using this Lead Intelligence. So make sure you click that link below because it's going to help you step by step to start making money online. So make sure you click that link in the description, the first link in the description below, so that you won't miss this free bonus that I have prepared for you guys. Bonus number three, this is the squeeze page breakthrough. So this is the entire bonus, which is going to help you now to start making money using those leads that you capture from your customers. So this one is going to help you on how to start now clearly start making money using those leads that you capture from your customers, you know. So it's going to help you step by step on how to start now making money, following up on how you can make money now using those leads that you capture from Lead Intelligence. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Then to access these bonuses, just make sure you go to Walio Plus, go here where it says affiliate bonuses, click it to the link, then you'll be able to access these bonuses. So that's it, guys. So without wasting much time, let's go to the source page. I'll show you source page how it looks like. Sorry for my network. As you can see, just loading here. I think so Wi-Fi is not okay, but there's no problem. Okay, this is the sales page. This is how it looks like. So make sure it's similar to my bonuses page. If you click to my bonuses page, as you can see, just the same. It looks the same here. So once you are here, you won't get confused much. This is how it looks like. There's a video, you know, there's this button here if you want to buy. Just make sure you go step by step, you understand everything for you. You can go and read all this. There's testimonials from other people, you know, earnings. This is, yeah, you know. So you can go step by step and check. Then if you're interested in it, you can click the link in the description, then you buy. These are all proofs from people. So yeah, without wasting much time, let me take you to the dashboard. So this, it said, Lead Intelligence is a new and unique cloud-based software that will enable you to rapidly build high quality and profitable subscriber list. And in just minutes, Lead Intelligence can create intelligence led read funnels, which are perfect for building lists of high engaged subscribers. By using quizzes and surveys to collect leads, you capture data that can maximize your engagement and the profit. So this is how it works, guys. And the first, and everything is done inside Lead Intelligence. You don't need a website, you don't need a hosting, and you don't need a quiz software. You don't need the autoresponder. So this is amazing, guys. You don't need all these things. The software, it's already done everything, guys. So what you have to do is only to get started. Simple as that. So let me take you straight to the to the dashboard. This is a dashboard, guys. If you buy, it will take you straight here. You're gonna find a welcome video here. You just watch a welcome video and go straight. The first one, it will be trainings. There's a training here inside, number 1. There's a why and the benefit. There's quick overview. There's walkthrough, then done for you quizzes, and done for you campaigns, and the understanding the logic. So this is amazing, guys. This is what you're gonna benefit inside here, guys. And also there's a case study as well. The case study, there's knowing your audience and the case study 1. That's how you get started now. And also there's the tools inside here. There's a quiz list, there's a lead list, status, and done for you. So those are the things that you're gonna find inside here. And also there's the done for you campaigns. Also there's a integrations, which you're gonna find the autoresponder here. And I think there's Airweb also as well is inside in MailChimp, yeah, I think inside here. So you just have to go step by step with all these things. So yeah, and also they have bonuses for you. I think I didn't talk about this, but there's bonuses also for you, for the vendor. If you decide to buy this, they have a lot of bonuses for you that you're gonna be able to access, And also, I didn't mention some other things here. They said for you to start to be a member, watch the new member webinar, or our member must participate in this Okay, let me talk to the last bonuses that I didn't mention here. The vendor bonuses that you're gonna get is video. There's a deliver workshop. There's a PL, private label rights to affiliate marketing takeover. There's a book a call. You just click here. There's a pro user bonus for pro user. There's an inbox squeezer. There's the travel inbox strategy. All those things, guys, you're gonna know yourself. I don't know even what are these. There are some other things here, but about private or label rights, this I know. But all this, like book a call, I think you're gonna find them inside here if you decide to buy, because I don't know all of this. What are they? But you can go through yourself and check. So let's go back so that I can show you what is left. Okay, you have first to register here. Once you register, you send their email, you send your details, you introduce yourself, Then also make sure you join their Facebook group so that you can be in touch with them. So as simple as that, guys. I hope you understand everything. Don't forget also to click the link in the description below so that you won't miss my bonuses that I've mentioned previous, guys. I'm sure they will help you. So if the thing that you are looking for, make sure you go and buy. So simple as that, guys. I hope you understand everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you again in the future video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.